Hello everyone. In the last video I have shown how to purchase a premium domain for just $1 from OPX, and in this video I will show you how to purchase a premium hosting package with that domain name. So let's start. I will be searching for OPX and go to their website, and here if I click on managed cPanel hosting, it will take me to the packages in this page. So here you can see four packages, and all of the packages are good for running a powerful website. I will be purchasing the premium package. Here it costs $18 per month. So here I will click on get started today. Then I have to select the domain here. As I have purchased the domain already, I have purchased .xyz, oxitec.xyz from here. So I will choose the third option and input my domain name like this, Oxitec, and on the second page the extension here, so oxitec.xyz, and click on use. It will automatically take me to the next page. So here I can change the monthly billing cycle to yearly, 24 month, or even 36 month. So in this video I am continuing with 1 month billing cycle, and then the add-on services I don't need any of them. I will just continue here. In the meantime, let me search for a coupon code here. And if you click on company and then the promotion option here, you can see here many coupons. I will get above and copy this on Y21. This is for 25% flat discount. So let's see if it works here. I have pasted the promotion code here and validate. Okay, promotion code has been accepted. So $18 became 13.50 USD. So let's continue. Okay, so here we have to create an account. As I have already have an account, so I will just log into that account with my details here. If you don't have an account, you can create one here. Okay, so now we have to select a payment method. This time I will pay with the Paddle gateway. Like you can see, Paddle, Visa, MasterCard, or Apple Pay, or maybe with Coinbase gateway. With this gateway I can pay via cryptocurrency. So let's see how it works. And you must have to accept the terms and condition before placing any order. Okay, so I have marked it, and let's continue. It's processing now. Alright, so we are in the invoice page at this moment, and the Coinbase payment gateway is selected. So I will click on pay now. Okay, it opens a new tab here in my browser. Okay, so as you can see, it redirects me to the payment gateway, which is commerce.coinbase.com, and you can select any cryptocurrency here, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Coin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, DAI, Bitcoin Cash. So these are the options, and you can also log into your Coinbase account and pay with this button. So let's try with Bitcoin. So I will have to scan this QR code and make the payment. As soon as you send the amount here, it will take some time and the payment will be completed. So let me pause the video and complete the payment. Okay, I have completed the payment with Coinbase Gateway and it's now showing paid here in my invoice, like you can see. If I scroll down and click on back to client area, I will get back to client area. So here you can see the service is active now. If I click on services, okay, here you can see the premium hosting package is active. If I click on it, okay, it's working perfectly. So let's see how you can log into your cPanel account. Here in the right side you can see some actions like log into cPanel, log into webmail, change password, upgrade, downgrade, and request cancellation. If you don't want the hosting anymore, you can request for cancellation. So I will now log into my cPanel. You can log in here, but I will show you with another option, like how you can get the cPanel login details and login directly. If you don't get the information in this in the primary inbox, you will have to go to spam box and check here. Okay, here is the new account information, as you can see. So we will mark this as not spam and go to inbox. Okay, so I will open the email, new account information. Okay, so they are saying that please read this email in full and print it for your records. So you can save this email for your record. So here you can see my new account information, and everything has been provided here in details. So the control panel link is like this, and let me see. Okay, maybe this one. If I click on it, click on proceed. Okay, it has redirected me to cPanel login page. So if I copy my username and password, I am just copying the username. I'll place it here and then the password here. Okay, so I have pasted the password and I will log in. Okay, as you can see, it has been successful. So this is the cPanel interface, like you all know, and I will publish all the videos of this panel, like how you can operate this panel and all other stuffs. And now if I click on the domain here and opening a new tab, you can see it says your connection is not private. So in the next video I will show you how you can properly connect the domain with your hosting, and also install SSL certificate on your domain. Okay, so it's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you again.